Is Wix easy to use? It depends which version you're using. Wix Studio is for professionals, powerful but complex. We won't cover it here. We're focusing on the classic Wix editor. It's beginner-friendly if you're just changing text, images, or adding simple sections. But building custom layouts or entire new sections can take more time. Let's see how easy it really is. All right, so the first and most important rule when using the Wix editor is this. Make sure everything stays inside these gray lines, also known as the page margins. If your content goes outside these lines, it might not show up properly on smaller desktop screens. Now let me show you just how easy it is to update your site content. Want to change text? Just click on it and type. That's it. Swapping out an image is just as simple. Click the image, choose Change Image, and either upload your own or pick from Wix's free media. This drag and drop system makes editing your site feel more like designing a flyer than coding a website. Even if you've never built anything online before, this part is super intuitive. Let's say you want to add something completely new. Just hit Add Section, choose a layout, like image and text, and it drops right into place. You can move things around, edit the text, and change the image just like before. But there's one important rule: always keep everything inside these gray margin lines. If your content goes outside, it might not show up properly on smaller desktop screens. Mobile is a separate topic, but for now, just stay inside the margins and you're good. Now let's check out the mobile view. Wix automatically sets this up for you, so most of the work is already done. You'll usually just need to rearrange a few things. It's all simple drag and drop. What you see here in the mobile editor is exactly how it'll look on someone's phone. So just tweak the layout, make sure everything fits nicely, and that's it. Wix Editor makes it easy to update content and adjust mobile layout with simple drag and drop. For a fast start, grab one of our ready-made templates designed for any business and easy to edit. Like and subscribe for more Wix tips.